for Writer's Workshop, we're going to share what's in our journals with each other. So I'm going to share with you what I wrote in my journal this week. And at the end of this video, I want you to make a recording and share with me what you wrote this week. So I'm going to model how to talk about our writing first, and then you're going to make a recording and you're going to share your writing with me. Okay. So this is my school journal. This is the one I keep for school purposes. This is my regular journal. I don't like having two journals, but um, I've tried keeping school stuff in this journal, and it doesn't always work very well. So I decided that I was going to have to use two journals, one for school and one for me at home. But I have to tell you that I'm really super proud with how hard I've been working on my journals and how they're looking and all the words that I'm writing. I wrote 17 pages in my journal this week at home. I also wrote 14 pages in my school journal. So I'm glad that I've got my personal stuff over here so I can just show you the things that I wrote this week in class, right? Now, as I flip through my pages that I wrote, I see some things that I'm really proud of, and I see some things that I'm not so proud of. And so we're going to take some notes and talk about our journals a little bit. And then I want you to kind of look at your journal and show me the things that you wrote this week and tell me about them too. So on one page here, all I wrote was miss seeing what you create. And that was a note that I made about you guys on Monday, because I just miss seeing all the fun things that you do. But overall, this page is pretty blank. These are notes from last week, so that's not a very good example. Here I've got the stories that we've been writing for advocacy, right? Our gratitude journal pages. And I told you that the one picture I didn't feel very good about, and the other picture, only about half of it turned out the way that I had thought it would, right? So there's some things that I'm not very happy with, and there's some things that I'm really proud of. Like, I love how these pages look full and my handwriting is nice. And so I actually did take some notes about how my journaling made me feel. And it says on December 3rd, 2020, I wrote 14 pages in my journal. That's my school journal. I like how my orca looks. I mostly filled in all of my pages. There are a few pages where it's not filled in so good, but I mostly filled in my pages. And I have nice, pretty handwriting, right? I definitely think it looks like I took my time to write neatly and to write long and strong. But then I also have this note that I did not finish this story. I started it and I got to the end of this page and I just stopped writing and I didn't finish my assignment. So that's something that I want to work on next week a little bit more. But I also noticed that I had really good word choice in all of my writing. So I tried to really practice what we talked about last week, which was using your words wisely, word choice, right? Well, this week we've been talking about sentences, and I think that this is the story that I'm going to share with you because this is the sentence that I'm most proud of, and I think it's got great word choice in it, and I think it has it's a great sentence. So I'm going to share this as my example of my best writing this week with you. Even though I have all those other pages, this is the story that I'm going to read to you. So when you are showing me your journal, show me your pages, tell me how you feel you did, and then read me the one story you think is the best. Okay? So I am thankful for the library because it has books that teach me things, books that take me away to faraway places, and books to entertain me on cold winter nights. I like how I have this like cold winter nights. It's like keeping you warm. I like that imagery, right? My word choice. I also like that this sentence is a long sentence, right? We're talking about those this week. Short sentences, incomplete sentences, and long sentences. And this is actually all one sentence, but it's a good sentence. And so I'm really proud of that too. So that's what I'm going to share this week. Now on Friday, I'm going to show some examples of what we can do to make our writing even stronger. So I look forward to reading and hearing your stories so that we can talk about them on Friday.